Hi, hello, how are ya? Chef Kennedy here. I've been a professional vegan chef for the past 10 years, and the advancements that we've made in plant-based cuisine is remarkable. For example, the discovery of aquafaba as an egg replacer is so genius. I love the idea of zero waste, but can banana peels really be used in place of pulled pork? When I first saw this trend, I thought it was a disgrace to the vegan community and hoped it would disappear into the shadows. But recently, I was sent this viral video and I knew what had to be done. Today, I will recreate this banana peel pulled pork and recruit an unsuspecting non-vegan to find out once and for all if this trend needs to be taken out with the trash. I hope it is appealing. Let's get into it. Oh, wait. I'm cooking dinner tonight. Give me that.
That's a banana peel. Give me that.
Oh, girl, I got something cooking for you. Don't worry about it, okay? Okay, so I'm going to be following exactly what Max Lamana did in his video, basically removing the banana peels. I saved mine for a smoothie. Then you want to take a spoon and remove all of these nasty banana peel bits. Then take a fork and shred that banana peel, really getting that pulled pork vibe. Now, of course, we're gonna marinate this, so we're gonna take a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of dried mustard, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. Mix it up. Now, he doesn't give a lot of direction after this, so I marinated mine for about 3 hours, just in time for a dance break. All right, now we're gonna heat a pan, add in our banana peels. I seared mine for about 5 minutes before adding in some barbecue sauce and cooking it for an additional 3 minutes. Now, I made another pulled pork sandwich using banana blossoms, and I'll link that above, but for these, we just kept it simple. For science, baby. Okay, so here we have our banana peel pulled pork, and I have my cousin Baby D in the house.
What's up, guys?
She's a non-vegan and she's willing to try this very weird thing that vegans keep trying to make happen. And today we're gonna find out if we should put it to rest, throw it in the trash, or maybe it's the next big thing. Who knows?
Well, let's find out.
All right. What?
That is surprisingly good. A lot of pork texture in there. Not expecting that. Where's the bitterness? Where are the bitters?
I'm shocked. I was like so ready to like hate this and to be like, y'all need to stop, y'all need Jesus, you need therapy, all of the things. I don't know how to feel in this current situation because my mind was pretty much set that this was some bullshit. I think what saved it is this recipe calls for a lot of spices that really like cover up that banana peel. I also let it marinate for a while, so maybe that like really attributed to it like being very flavorful.
Yeah, very good. Not what I expected. Much better. 2 thumbs up over this way. And yeah, this is something I would definitely eat again.
Wow. I don't know if I feel the same exact way. I know. I mean, I'm shocked and I'm surprised, and maybe I'm just holding on to my like inner thoughts of my old ideals that I was wanting to hate this. I'm gonna give it to the people that think that this is good. Because it's not, it's way better than I thought it was, but I still can't get back past the fact that I'm eating a banana peel. If I didn't know, I think it would be okay.
And I have to agree, this is bananas. However, I do disagree, and we can get a debate going, we can get different parties involved. This is a good pulled pork sandwich. If I didn't know it was banana peels, I would not think banana peels for this meal here. It just, the texture's there, it has that chewiness to it, that pork fattiness going on. Of course, it's not pork, but
yeah,
you can fool some people.
Yeah, I guess you
Especially
can.
those without taste buds.
Hey, you heard it here first from a non-vegan giving their stamp of approval on the banana peel viralness of it all. Well, thank you so much for joining us and trying this out. I know it's super weird, but this was really fun. And don't forget to like and subscribe from my kitchen to yours, Chef Kennedy and
Baby D.
out.